In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook. If you're heading out of the office or just need to let people know you're away for a period of time, setting this up will save you from manually responding and will make sure everyone gets the right information while you're unavailable. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Account and Settings area. Look for the option labeled Automatic Replies, sometimes shown with Out of Office in parentheses, and select it. This opens the window where you'll set everything up. At the top, choose Send Automatic Replies. If you leave the default setting, Outlook won't send anything, so make sure this is selected. Right below that, check the box that says Only send during this time range. This is important because it tells Outlook to start and stop for you automatically. Without this, your replies would keep going until you turn them off manually. Now set your start date and time, and then your end date and time. Think about your real availability here. If you leave a little buffer, say starting a bit before your last meeting and ending a bit after you return, you'll avoid overlap and missed messages. Also be mindful of time zones if you're traveling, and pick the times that match your calendar. Next, you'll write your messages. There are two separate boxes, one for inside my organization and one for outside my organization. The inside message is what colleagues within your company will see. Here, it's helpful to be specific. Include when you'll be back, whether you're checking email at all, and who to contact in your absence. Keep it clear and friendly, and if appropriate, add a brief note about urgent requests. For the outside, my organization message, keep it professional but a bit more general. It's best not to share internal details or sensitive information here. A simple statement of your unavailability, your expected return date, and a general contact method for urgent matters is usually enough. This ensures external senders get what they need without exposing internal processes.